Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help determine the Lewis structure for HCl. Now HCl is it is present in two states. When it is in aqueous solution, it is known as hydrochloric acid. When it is in gaseous form, it is known as hydrochlorine gas. So both these states are valid, but we only have one Lewis structure for both these states, because obviously only the state of the molecule is different, but the Lewis structure remains same. So to understand the Lewis structure of this molecule, we first find out the valence electrons for these molecule. So hydrogen is a group 1 element, as you can see over here, and it has one valence electron in its outer shell. And chlorine is a group 7 element over here, and it has 7 valence electrons in its outer shell. So in total we have 8 valence electrons for this molecule. Now we will place hydrogen and chlorine next to each other like this, and to show a bond between hydrogen and chlorine, we are going to place a pair of electrons like this. Now this shows a bond, and this also completes the outer shell for hydrogen atom, because hydrogen atom only requires 2 valence electrons to have a complete outer shell, and the rest of the electrons, that are the 6 electrons that are remaining right now, will be arranged around the chlorine atom like this, and it will complete the octet for chlorine atom as well. So forming a bond between hydrogen and chlorine atom helps both these atoms complete their outer shells, because hydrogen has 2 valence electrons in its outer shell now, and chlorine has 8. So this way both these atoms share electrons, form a bond, and complete each other's outermost shell. So this is the Lewis structure of HCl. It is quite simple, and I hope this video helps you to understand that. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.